In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and share meeting link in Microsoft Teams. If you've ever needed to spin up a quick call without scheduling a full calendar event, a simple meeting link is the fastest way to get everyone together. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, share a few helpful tips along the way, and keep it clear and straightforward so you can follow in real time. Start by opening Microsoft Teams on your desktop or in your browser and signing into the correct work or school account. If your organization uses multiple tenants, double check you're in the right one so your teammates can join without issues. Give the app a moment to load your chats in Teams before moving on. On the left side of Teams, look for the Meet option in the sidebar. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover to see the labels or expand it so the names are visible. This section is designed for quick meetings and is the fastest path to creating an instant link you can share anywhere. If your layout looks a little different, that's normal. Microsoft occasionally updates the interface, but the Meet area serves the same purpose. Inside the Meet section, select Create a Meeting Link. This is different from scheduling a meeting on the calendar. You're generating a link that people can click to join immediately or at a time you agree on. It's great for ad hoc discussions, quick client check-ins, or getting everyone aligned without a formal invite. Next, enter a clear descriptive title for the meeting. Choose something that helps attendees recognize what the call is about at a glance, like Project Sync or Budget Review. A good title makes the link easier to trust and reduces confusion in busy chats and email threads. Now, click Create and Copy Link. Teams will generate a unique meeting URL and place it on your clipboard automatically. If you like, keep a note open and paste the link there as a backup so you don't lose it while switching apps. When you're ready to send it out, click Share Link. You can paste the link into a Teams chat, a channel conversation, an email, or a messaging app your team uses. External guests can typically join through their browser, though your organization's settings may place them in a lobby until you admit them. That's it. You've created a meeting link, given it a useful title, copied it, and shared it. Quick tip. Consider sending a short message with the link explaining the purpose and timing. And if needed, let attendees know whether they should join with video or stay on mute on entry.